Ready, go.
I'm gonna eat it.
You're gonna eat a worm. Go ahead, Jessica, eat it. Show me your worm. Slurp it up or shove it all in. Neil, she's taking a bite of it.
Yeah.
Hey, slurp it up, Jess.
I'm gonna go wash it.
Okay, show me your worm, Nathan. Oh, where is it?
Right there.
It's just little. Come bring it closer to me. Okay, eat it.
Ew, I'm not eating a worm. I'm never eating a worm. Gross. What does it taste like, Jessica?
Tell us what it tastes like, Jessica.
Dirt. What? Dirt.
Dirt. Slurp it up.
Slurp it, slurp. It won't hurt.
Yes, it will. Stick the worm in your mouth. Are you done? Oh my gosh!
Mama, look at it. Oh, this guy she's slurping it. Dad, I got your shovel.
You almost got it all slurped up.
Thank you. Dad, you should spit it up.
Okay, spit it out. That's yuck.